Okay, we are now leaving the Staunton, Virginia Supercharger for Wytheville, Virginia, which is a 6-stall supercharger. It is also a Gen 2 up to 150 kilowatts, and then after that we should be going straight to Asheville, and then we'll be joining up for the Blue Ridge Parkway Drive with all the other North and South Carolina Tesla clubs. Catch you on the flip side. There's our turn. I now have on autopilot once I get in the lane to exit. I love how it likes to be ready to pass somebody and still want to merge behind them. They're going so much slower. Please fix this behavior. Anyway, so you're going to take exit 73 on I-81. And we'll speed this up because it's kind of boring. But it is beautiful. Look at that. Mountains, sky. Another exit. Way up there. Right, so I see Peking Restaurant is probably that general direction, because the nav map stops, but the dot is way up there, the pin. It's Holiday Express, Days Inn. That's probably the hotels. The dot's gone! Thanks, Tesla. No trucks beyond this point. See, this is why I make these videos, so you guys don't make the same mistakes that I do. Sorry, right through. Going in or around. There they are. Okay, so it's at the Holiday Inn Express. Ah, there's a Tesla here now. Model S with a roof rack, first gen with autopilot 1.0 from Texas. Alright, so 1A, 1B, so this is the typical layout. So we are going to do stall 2. Get out. It's at a hotel, so it doesn't actually close, but the amenities will be sparse at late night, and during the day there will be very little to do. As you saw, there's not much walkable, but there's a nice looking restaurant over there. I don't know if they're still open in a business. It looks a little weird, but we shall see. Catch you on the flip side. So well, first off, this thing wouldn't open my charge port, and then it won't fit in the port because it is broken. This is 1B right here. I will message Tesla because calling them is a pain these days. Let's check this one out before I even move the car. This one's a little cracked, but looks like it'll do the trick. It opens the charge port. Alright, let's move it over. Huh. Now it doesn't want to open the charge port, even though it did from the wrong side of the car. It fits. Clicks. Of course, the click I speak of is the supercharger cabinet. My car clicks, and we're good. Yes, I know my key fob battery is low. So if you start above 20 and have given it time to condition itself, you usually get the high speeds right away. but around 10 to 15 down to 5, you usually don't get the fastest speeds. So just like before, I only really wait for it to get over 100, but it'll do 150, 140 easily. Alright, we're gonna go inside and check the place out. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and give the Wytheville Supercharger a 6 out of 10 stars. The staff was very friendly, the facilities are clean. The main things are that the map is way off. I mean, the dot is in the right spot, but before you can reach the dot, the map says, hey, you're there, and goes away. And it's 6 stalls, but at least one is broken. So I've emailed Tesla, and hopefully they respond to that. I would have called, but as most of you guys know, calling them lately has been a work of frustration. So rather than call them, I sent that email, and hopefully they respond back. Would I stop here again? Absolutely. Just remember that during the day, there's not going to be a whole lot to do, but you've got those restaurants you can go to, and at night, you'll have just the hotel. So the restaurant will be closed and everything. Catch you on the flip side.